Today's painting is going to be for Nick. Nick's favorite color is blue, so let's paint him a blue planet. First, let's go ahead and get the center with a nice blue. Perfect. Next, let's add some white into the center, just like that. I'm going to take some crumpled up newspaper and open it up and just do some swipes. Give a couple dabs. And that looks great. Next, I'm going to add some black for the shadow. Perfect. Next, I want to go ahead and put a bolt over the center. Before you do this, want to make sure the black portion is dry, and that looks perfectly placed. Next, I'm going to go ahead and cover the rest of the painting in black. That looks good. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add some stars. So I'm just going to push the top of, there we go, of the white very gently. That looks great. Now I'm going to add some shine on this side of our planet, just like that. And then last, the reveal. Perfect.